WebStorm is going to be home to your JavaScript coding, and we're sure you'll want it to look and feel like home. Let's look at some of the most common ways to add some home comforts. The very first thing you might want to do is change the UI theme. WebStorm comes with a few predefined themes, but there's also a variety of custom ones to choose from. To look up the available custom themes, go to Preferences or Settings, depending on your OS, then Plugins, and search the marketplace for Theme. Let's install one of the most popular themes, Dark Purple. Voila! WebStorm looks even fancier now that it's dressed up in purple. What about if you want to quickly check what other themes you've installed and what they look like? You can go back to Preferences Settings and change the current theme in Appearance and Behavior Appearance, or use the switch pop-up. Press Ctrl plus backtick, select Theme, and preview all the available themes in one go. This isn't the only thing that the switch pop-up is good for. For example, if you want to make your workspace less cluttered, you can use this pop-up to switch to Zen mode, which can be very helpful whenever you need to remove distractions and focus on your code. What else? You can change the default position of tool windows. You can move them around to other parts of the IDE. You can even make a tool window float on top of the editor or detach it completely so that you can view it independently on a different monitor. Another thing you can do to reduce clutter is hide some UI elements. First, you can customize the status bar by right-clicking it and removing any widgets you're not using. If you click the Quick Access button located on the status bar, you can get rid of the tool window bar. This will make a little more space in the editor. With the tool window bar hidden, you can still access all the tool windows by hovering over the Quick Access icon and choosing what you need, or by using the dedicated shortcut for it. The fastest way to toggle the visibility of UI elements is the Find Action command. Command or Control and Shift and A. Let's say you're not going to use breadcrumbs and you don't want to see them. You can use Find Action, then look for breadcrumbs, and then turn them off from here. What else is important to know about the IDE customization? If you go to Preferences or Settings, you'll find a lot of other things you can play with. One of them is keymap. In the keymap section, you can choose the keymap you want to use, reassigning existing shortcuts, and create custom shortcuts for the actions that don't have anything associated with them. Let's say you want to know what shortcut is assigned to event log. It doesn't have any, so we're going to assign a custom one to it. Let's make it, for now, 1 + 2. Now, whenever we press 1 and then 2, we'll see the event log. Apart from the keymap, there are lots of other things you may want to customize. If you don't know where a specific setting you want to change is located, just look for it. Let's say we want to change the default font. Now we can only see the applicable sections with the word font in them. Looks like we need the one called font. I'm going to use Fira code and enable ligatures for it. See, the editor is now changed even more. The same applies to all the other settings. Let's say we want to change some code style settings for CSS. Why not? We can look for code style, then go to the CSS section and make changes there. WebStorm is an IDE, meaning there are lots of things it has and you can customize most of them. In this video, we've only looked at the most essential ones. Don't be afraid to experiment with the rest. To get inspired, check out the Customizing the IDE section of our WebStorm guide at jetbrains.com/webstorm/guide/topics/customizing.